So why Big Sib Tutors? At Big Sib Tutors, we help students not because we just want them to succeed academically, but we want them to fundamentally succeed as a person in school and outside of school. Our Big Sib Tutors Empathetic Mentorship Model is not only rooted in empathy, but also in care and trust as well. Think of it like having an older sibling help you on a Sunday night with the math homework that you forgot to do on Friday. Hi, my name is Kelly Wang. I'm the head and founder of Big Sib Tutors, and today I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our story and also how that comes to build our framework for tutoring. So this whole thing started around the pandemic time, where there was this complete stark transition from in-person tutoring to online tutoring. And it was really stressful on some of the students, the teachers, me, because I was in college at the time. And it took us by surprise because no one expected to go from a playing field that was completely paper dependent to a suddenly online platform. But that's where Big Sib Tutors started coming about. We started tutoring and helping kids in group settings during the pandemic from grades K to 12. And now we're still here helping kids out. A big part of our teaching practice, and I would really like to emphasize this, is empathy. In fact, our tutoring framework is called Empathetic Mentorship Model. EMM for short. Empathy is one of the most important factors in what we believe makes a successful student and a successful tutor. In fact, according to a study by Cornelius White in 2007, it shows that teacher empathy was among some of the strongest predictors of positive student outcomes. This synthesis includes 119 studies with over 1,450 findings. We have a mix of teachers, tutors, mentors, students on our team. And the reason we like for this diverse profile is because we think it's incredibly important for teachers to be able to understand not only at an intellectual level, but also at a social and emotional level, some of the stressors that students are facing in their academic journey. And this has impacts on their academics. We think a big part of empathy means teaching students the way that we wish we were taught. One thing that we always look for in all of our tutors is having someone that understands and is able to show the empathy with their students in the classroom setting. On top of that, a lot of our tutors also have very impressive backgrounds as well. Medical students, performing arts directors who've directed their own plays. We have tutors who've written in publications. We have tutors who've graduated from multiple different specializations in graduate school. It's a team that I feel incredibly proud of and privileged to be able to lead. Since our founding during the pandemic, we supported over 600 students and counting nationally and internationally as well. Many of our tutors have been able to help students with getting into top schools, getting amazing grades, and we attribute a lot of that into empathy. But empathy doesn't just help you academically. We believe empathy is vital to making you into a confident, strong, and persevering person. And so here at Big Sib Tutors, we hope you can join us as we embrace the empathy mentorship model. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.